right, what we're going to talk about now are saving sections on pages. So currently we're inside of the website area. So these are all our system and pages that make up the website theme. Now, in this particular scenario, let's pretend that we decided to keep our home page as a standalone landing page, but all the other website pages on our account, we've just left them here inside of the website theme. So the work with me, the contact, the about, those pages. Now let's pretend that we've gone and done all that customization on the work with me page. And right at the bottom of the page, we've created this opt-in for a freebie that you've created, like a free ebook or something. Okay, it's right at the bottom of the page. And you think, I'd like to use this section on other pages without having to redo it. Now, what you can do if you click on the section itself, so not in the blocks, but in the section, is there's now this option here to save section. And I'm just going to call it website theme freebie opt-in. Okay, just so that I can easily pick it from a list of saved sections. Save. Okay, so that section there is saved for us to pull onto other website theme pages. Okay, but now if we go over to the landing page area of our account, that's a link for us. Okay, let's just say that we wanted to use it on the homepage, this standalone homepage. Now, if I open up our homepage in customize mode, over here, okay, let's just pretend that I want to put it here in place of this one to save me customizing this one again. So if I go into the sections of this page, I'm in the sections tab, and I come down here to add a section. And I want to pull from saved sections. You can see that if I expand this, I've got only one incompatible section here. Okay, so I can preview it, but I can't add it to a standalone landing page because saved sections only work if they are being added to the same type of theme. So if you have saved a section inside of, where are we? Inside of your website tab on this work with me page, you'd be able to add it to other website pages, but you can't add it to landing pages yet, okay, as I record this. They are working on a way to make them work, cross theme, but for the time being, saved sections inside of the website can only be used on pages in the website. Saved sections on landing pages can be used on other pages inside of, in other individual landing pages. And you can also save sections now in emails to use on other emails. All right, so let's just say we spent ages doing that section and we really want to use it without having to rebuild it. Here's what you can do. We can come over here to these three little dots and we can say, add this page to landing. And we say, yes, add page. Okay, now it doesn't actually move the work with me page from your website theme over to the landing pages area. You can see it creates a copy. Okay, so now if I was to go and open up this copy of the work with me, which is a standalone landing page, and we wait for it to load. Scroll down for that section and I save it again. I'm going to call it landing page, freebie opt-in. Save. Okay, so now if I go over to my home page, if I can find it, is it this one? Nope, this one. All right. So I'm just going to refresh. And page is loading, but if we come over here on the left, down to add section, saved sections. Okay, now I do have one sitting up here in the compatible, and I've still got the website theme, which is incompatible. So I'm going to pull through this one, which is compatible. It's going to bring up a preview for me. Once you're happy you are adding the right saved section to your page, add to page. Okay, and if we scroll down, anytime you add a new section to the page, if I can make this a bit bigger for you guys. Anytime you add a new section to the page, it is going to, add itself down here at the bottom. And you can see it's now sitting right above the footer, but I actually want it to sit in place of this one, which is above these three little spaces that we created. So I'm just going to drag it up. And then you can either hide or delete the one that was there originally. And for contrast, I'll just change the background color to white. Okay, so now I've pulled it through from the Work With Me page. So that's a little workaround for you, just showing you how you can save sections, you can pull through saved sections, and also just wanted to demonstrate at the same time how you can move pages, well, not really move them, duplicate pages from the website tab onto the landing tab. Now, one other thing to point out on that is that this works on any of these pages where you see over here the option of published or draft. It doesn't work on system pages, okay? You can't, for example, if you've customized your homepage inside of the website theme and you now think, oh, I would like this actually to be a standalone landing page, you can't click that dot and add it to landing, okay? The only way to get it, to have it become a landing page would be to rebuild it as a landing page, okay? So a couple of cool things there covered for you.